Withings has been known for years for making devices that help keep track of our health. I have one of their scales at home, and I loved it, right up until it told me my body fat percentage, and now I hate it. But that's another video. Last year at CES, Withings was showing off their U-Scan, which would analyze your urine and be able to give you health readings based on those samples. This year, they are combining 4 different readings into an all-in-one device. I got to speak with Libya Robin, the product manager of their new product called BeamO.
BeamO is a revolutionary at-home health checkup. It allows you to get insights on your health in just 1 minute with 4 different sensors integrated into one small portable device. So the 4 different sensors are a 1-lead electrocardiogram, which measures your heart activity. So by placing your fingers on these 2 little electrodes here, you can have full access to your heart health, and it detects signs of atrial fibrillation. Embedded in the electrode, you have a pulse oximeter, which records your blood oxygen levels and gives you insights on part of your respiratory health. We also have a digital stethoscope on one end of the device. This is a big innovation because it allows you to place it very simply on your chest and listen to your heart and lung sounds, either directly with headphones or to live stream it to a doctor. So during a televisit appointment, for example, you can easily have access to your, he can really give full diagnosis of your heart and lung health. And we have also the fourth sensor is a contactless thermometer, so infrared technology. Just by scanning your forehead, you can have access to your body temperature in just 2 seconds.
Now, all of these sensors are available in individual household devices. I was curious as to what drove Withings to put all 4 of these into one single device, and if there was any inherent advantage to this.
The reason that we put all of these sensors into one small device is to really make the patient proactive of his own health. To have everything centered into something that fits in your own pocket is very helpful for a user. For example, for family use, you can easily track all your children's health, your parents' health, your elderly relatives' health. You can track your own health, for example, if you have a chronic respiratory disease or a heart failure. Every day you can take your vitals, see if there's changes in your baseline, and it's the first time that something so small can fit in your pocket and can give you so many insights.
Because this is a medical device, the FDA must clear it before it can go on sale to the public. They expect approval to come sometime in the middle of 2024.
We're actually doing all the FDA CE mark process right now, so we're going to get hopefully clearance mid-year, and then as soon as we get all that, we will be able to launch on the market. It's a medical device, so the sensors need to be medically cleared to be on the market. Yeah.
Since it is a medical device, I was also curious if they view this more as a consumer device or a device for medical professionals. Turns out, it's the best of both.
We have both. So we have the consumer target, which is, as I was saying earlier, so the families to be able to track their relatives' health, and also so people who have chronic diseases, but also a professional use. So for programs, for example, for post-operative care, at-home care, people who will stay at the hospital but can actually go home earlier to track their health from home and proactively tell their doctor if there's any changes in their baseline and they need to be to go back to the emergency room.
Like many health devices, the BeamO syncs its information back to your phone and can be displayed through the Withings app or through Apple Health. This information can then be directly sent to your doctor for further review.
So we actually do have our data that is, the data from Apple Health is integrated into the Withings app, so everything is centralized into the Withings app. You have your full health record there. With BeamO, we're going to have the ability as well to log symptoms, to log medication, so everything will be in one complete health record on your phone that you can easily share to your doctor, either via PDF or via a link that you can share during a televisit appointment.
So if the FDA approval goes through when expected, we can expect to see the BeamO hit the market sometime this summer for $250.